Hello everyone, I am Swati Bakshi and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed so that you never miss out on any video. Today's video is the one my Insta fam voted for. That is, what is in my gym bag? I know not the best times to be doing this tag because gyms are shut. But I thought, gyms ain't gonna be shut forever, right? Anyway, before we go ahead, please know that I am not at all into fancy schmancy stuff. So if you are someone looking for something like this, then please skip this video. This video is about me and I am super basic and minimalistic. So without any further ado, now let's get started. So let's talk about my bag first. This is a basic Puma gym bag with 3 compartments. I am pretty sure by now you guys know what my favorite color is. Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so this bag is a gift that I got for my birthday this year. What I really like about this bag is that it has ample amount of space to keep my stuff and has a separate compartment for shoes. I like to keep my stuff pretty organized, so yeah, this one gets the job done. It is pretty sassy looking, it's in my favorite color, easy to carry, so I totally love it. Let's see what's inside this bag. Okay. So we have a shaker for my protein shake after workout. I know it's not important कि आप workout करने के immediately बाद shake ले, because it's proven now, until obviously you are fasting, तब ज़रूरी है. But I prefer taking shake, you know, after workout करके आराम से वहीं पे gym के बाहर there's this space, उधर बैठ के sunlight के नीचे I prefer having my shake there and then. The next item we have is a water bottle, which is really important and it is a must because we should stay hydrated even while working out. We should, you know, keep sipping water in between our sets. So yeah, this is for sure really essential. The next item is this towel for all the sweat, usko पोंछने के लिए, a must have. This is a basic towel. Yeah, I think I got it from D-Mart. Yeah, this is basic. Then, yeah, how can we forget this? A deo. You know, for all that sweat, you have to cancel out the odor. What best than a roll-on deo? It's always there in my bag, always. Next, we have this, a perfume. Now, this is also a gifted perfume. But I like to carry perfumes in all of my bags because I like to smell nice, and yeah, once you have cancelled out your body odor, it's better, I mean it's best to apply your favorite perfume as per your choice. Next we have a pair of leggings and tee, so just in case, you never know, आपको कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है, so yeah, I keep an extra pair in my gym bag क्योंकि बहुत spacious है. Other than that, we have this sanitary napkin, which is again very essential. You never know कब आपको या किसी और को ज़रूरत पड़ जाए, तो ये मैं हमेशा अपने सारे bags में carry करती हूँ. Essential. Then let's see in this compartment, the shoe compartment obviously has shoes. So these are the shoes in the shoe compartment, and trust me when I was saying that बहुत spacious है. Look how spacious this shoe compartment really is. I mean, it's really spacious. Yeah. And that's pretty much about it. My gym bag is empty. And all of the things in my gym bag have been covered. So that was hashtag what's in my gym bag video. I really hope you like this video, and if you really like it, make sure you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well. Until next time, see you all. Bye.